Today we're going to be making something with this leftover pumpkin. I haven't decided yet, so let's see what type of recipes Livy has on the inside. Livy forgot to put in the recipes, so I'm going to make some pumpkin lasagna. Get it, Karen. Start by sauteing some onions and some garlic. Make sure it's minced. Next, add your red squiggles and poke a lardo. Next, you want to mix a lardo. Mix a lardo is the process of spreading the ingredients in a lardo fashion. You aren't supposed to microwave metal, so I'm going to make some space for the sauce. To take our sauce to the next level, I'm adding fresh herbs. That was oregano. I'll be adding more oregano because I'm out of basil. I'm out of parsley too, so let's do oregano. I'm also going to add more oregano for extra levels. For the filling, we need pumpkin puree. This is just pumpkin, so to make the puree, add the pumpkin to a blender and press puree. This is Megan. Get it, Megan. Some pumpkin, some Rick's cheese, some baby chicken, make it rain, some parm chess. I guess this one's been in the car too long, and mix salardo. My nudes are wheat sauce and aren't ready for the oven, so we're going to do some pull-ups, some squats, some curls. These get the girls, and cool down with 15 minutes on the tread. When the nudes are looking strong, add them to the sauna and cook till all done. Perfect. Assemble the resources, some nudes, beef, sauce. Not sure what that is. Beef, nudes, sauce, beef, mystery sauce, more nudes, sauce, make it rain. Get it, Karen. Karen got it.
Taste test. Crunchy.